Hello, in this video, we're going to talk about 5 different ways millionaires earn their income. Hello, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jonathan Littlejohn, and we focus on making money, investing money, and building passive income online. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so then you can be notified when we upload new videos. I hope you enjoy the video. So we're going to get right into it. The first way millionaires earn their money is through earned income. And what earned income is basically a job, trading time for money. And a lot of people like doing that. Majority of the people like trading time for money, getting a job, because it's comfortable, it's predictable. You don't have to worry about when your next paycheck's coming. You don't have to worry about if there's going to be money in your bank account, because you're going to constantly, every 2 weeks, maybe a week, every week you're going to get paid. So a lot of people are getting a job. I'm not saying that's the best way, but a lot of people get that, and it's really a lower percent of millionaires use that type of method, trading time for money. But there are some millionaires that trade time for money. Number 2 is interest income. A lot of people like doing interest income, and basically what interest income is, if you're putting money into a bank account, you're getting interest from that money. So you're basically loaning money to a bank, and they're giving you more money in return through interest. Like your money's working more than you are working. And basically this is a lot better than earned income, because with the earned income, you're trading time for money. So basically, if you don't go to work, you're not able to earn money. But with the interest, if you don't go to work, your money's still earning interest on the money that you put in there. So it doesn't matter your ability. If you're not able to go to work, you're still able to earn interest. So that's very powerful. And a lot of people are just looking at earned interest as if you put money into a bank account and you're getting interest. But there's other ways. Maybe you lend money out to your friend and he owns a business, so you're going to get interest back, plus him paying you back whatever money you loan to him. Another way is you loan your money out to a friend. He needs some money in an emergency, and he's going to pay you back all that you loan to him, plus he's going to add interest to it, so you're going to get back money through interest. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to earn interest other than just putting your money in the bank. The next one is dividend, and a lot of people get dividend and earned interest confused. Like I said earlier, earned interest is you giving your friend or a business or the bank a loan. Okay, just hear me out. Giving the bank a loan, and then they're giving you money back. But dividend is basically you're buying a portion of the company. Maybe it's 1%, 10%, 50%, and they're giving you dividends from the portion that you bought. Say it's General Mills. You bought into General Mills, and General Mills in return is giving you a dividend check of 5%, of 3%, of 2% of their company, because you are basically a stockholder in their company. You basically own a portion of the company. Now, interest, you're not owning a portion of that company. You're basically loaning. You're basically putting it in there, and you're loaning it to the business, your friend, or the bank, and they're giving you money back. But a dividend, you're basically buying a portion of the company. And a prime example is, if you watch Shark Tank, you can go in there and a lot of the people on Shark Tank, they're trying to buy into the company. They're trying to get a percentage of a particular company, and then they're going to get dividends. They're going to get dividends from that company. So there's a lot of different ways to get dividends. You could buy stock, or you could buy into a company. Maybe your friend, he says, all right, well, I might need $10,000 or $1,000 because we need some capital. We need some money into our company. So in return, we're going to give you a percent of our company. So then if the company grows, you're entitled to a percent, the percent that you gave. You're entitled dividends, you're entitled stock, you're entitled different things that the company, whatever you guys arranged to get in return. Number 4 is capital gains. And capital gain is basically you buy a stock, or you might buy a piece of property and you sell it for a higher amount than what you bought originally. So if you bought a piece of property for $10,000 and you sell the property for $20,000, you're gaining $10,000. That's capital gain. Same thing with the stock. Say you bought the stock for $5 and you sell it for $10. You gain $5. So a lot of millionaires, they're buying stuff, they're flipping it for a higher price. That's a capital gain. Number 5 is real estate. There's a whole lot of ways to earn real estate. And I'm just gonna break it down, just a little pieces of it. And in another video, we're gonna talk more in depth of how people make money in real estate. So one way is they buy a piece of property and you rent out that piece of property, and you're able to earn cash flow. You're able to, maybe for example, you buy a piece of property and the mortgage payment is $200. You rent it out for $500. So then you're able to have $300 that you're able to put into the maintenance of the upkeep of the property, or into your bank account for another investment or whatever you like. You know what I mean? That you have $300 extra from that piece of property. Another way in real estate is buying the property at $10,000 and selling it for $20,000. And that goes back to number 4, the capital gains. You're able to make more money from the initial purchase. Another way is you don't have to particularly buy a piece of property. You could buy a property with a house on it. Maybe you're able to go to someone that has a particular piece of property and rent that property out for them. So then you're going to get a percentage of the rent. So you might not own the piece of property, okay, and they call this property managing. You're managing someone else's property, but you're getting money for managing that person's property. Another one a lot of people are doing is Airbnb. So say, for example, you get the lease for this particular property. Next thing you know, you go out and you rent that same place out to someone else for the day, for the week, for the month, and you're charging more than what you were charged for renting the particular place out. So there's a whole lot of different ways to earn money through real estate. Let's give it a recap. Number 1 is earned income, trading time for money. Number 2 is interest income, trading money for more money. Number 3 is dividend income, you buying a portion of a company and then you get paid dividends. Number 4 is capital gains, you buying a piece of property and you selling it, or a piece of stock and you're selling it for a higher return, you're selling it higher price. And number 5 is real estate, you buying and selling real estate, or you holding real estate and renting out real estate, or you just managing real estate. So there's a whole lot of different ways to earn income, and those are the 5 different ways that millionaires earn income. And if you like that type of information, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so then you will be notified when we upload new videos. Is there any other ways that you're earning income? Let me know in the comment section. I'm always trying to learn and grow as a person, and also help the community out in the YouTube channel. So let me know in the comment section if there's any other ways that you're earning money. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got a lot of value, information from this video, and I'll see you next time. Freedom lives within you. Have a great day.